You are not lazy, you are not broken, you are not a failure, you're just stuck in a loop. And nobody ever taught you how to break it. And the truth is, you don't need a 2-hour motivation routine. You don't need to wake up at 4 am. You don't need motivation every day. All you need is one simple routine 20 minutes a day that can change your entire life. And if you stay with me till the end of this video, I'll give you a 20-minute daily routine that no one on YouTube has ever shared with you. A routine that is so simple and so powerful that even the laziest people can follow it and still change their life in 30 days. Let's go deeper. Look, I know you want a better life. You want peace. You want confidence. You want to control your life. You want to control your mind. You want to feel confidence. You want to feel proud of yourself. You want to wake up one day and say, this is the life I built. But then suddenly, real life hits you. Overthinking, scrolling, procrastination, low energy, no clarity, and that horrible feeling of I'll start tomorrow. And I understand you because millions of people feels the same way. And no one talks about the real solution. Today, we will. And it starts with the one truth. You're not lazy. Your brain is overwhelmed. Your dreams are huge, but your actions feels small. Your goals are big, but your steps feels impossible. You're not failing because you don't want to do the work. You're failing because your works feel heavier than your current identity. Your mind is constantly thinking about how do I fix everything? How do I change my life? How do I become the person I want to be? That pressure freezes you. And when you freeze, you scroll. You start avoiding, you delay. You distract yourself. The problem is not effort. The problem is not discipline. The actual problem is your system. And that's exactly what I'll give you today. A simple system that you can follow even if you feel lost, tired, confused, or stuck. Let me tell you something quietly, because this is not motivational shouting. Your time is limited. Most people live like they will have another life after this. But this is it. This is the only life you will get. And you know what? You don't need fear. You need awareness. You don't have to change everything today. You just need to change your 20 minutes every day. And those 20 minutes will change you. If you understand this part, if you finally accept that your time is valuable, then the routine I'm about to give you will hit you even more harder. Because the truth is, your life changes the moment you start respecting the minutes. It's a big line. You can repeat it. Most people fail because they choose routine they can't follow. 2-hour morning routines, not sustainable at all. Meditation for 1 hour, it's really very too much. Gym for 90 minutes, to be honest, most people won't go. Reading for 1 hour, I bet you'll skip it on day 3. But what if we do 20 minutes every day? Even on your worst days, even when you are tired, even when you are sad, even when your life feels heavy, a 20-minute routine doesn't scare your brain. It doesn't create resistance. It creates momentum. And momentum changes lives. And now let me give you the routine that will change yours. Now listen this carefully. This is the routine people will save this video for. The routine that can change your life in 30 days. Step 1. The 3-minute reset. So the first 3 minutes. Sit straight, close your eyes, and take slow breaths. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds. Do this 10 times. Your brain shifts from chaos to clarity, from stress to control, and from noise to focus. This first step is the reset button of your mind. Step 2. The 5 minutes brain dump. Take a notebook or your phone. Write everything that's stressing you. Thoughts, goals, problems, tasks, feelings, fears, plans, whatever is in your mind, everything, put it in on paper. This is the therapy. This is the clarity. And this is a mental freedom. Your brain is not made to store everything. It's actually made to process everything. This 5-minute dump removes 80% of your stress. Step 3. The one tiny win plan. Look at the list and ask yourself, what is one tiny thing that I can do today which will make me proud? Not 10 things, not a full routine, one small win. Here's some examples. Walk for 5 minutes, drink 1 glass of water, read 1 page, record a 20-second clip, clean 1 corner of your room, skip junk food once, or write 3 lines in a journal. One tiny win every day builds your identity. And this is how real transformation actually starts. Step 4. The 10 minutes life builder. Now the most important part. Spend 10 minutes doing one activity that moves your life forward. Here are your options. Choose one daily. Move your body for 10 minutes. You can do walking or you can do stretching. It could be anything. It can help you boost your mood. It fixes energy. It lowers anxiety. Improve your discipline. Second, learn something. Read at least 2 pages every day. Or if you don't want to read 2 pages, you can watch a tutorial. It can give clarity, build skills, and it will open your mind. Third, create something. You can write, you can record, or you can create a plan. It builds your future, builds your confidence, and it creates opportunities. Number 4, connects. Message someone you love or someone who inspires you. It actually deepens your relationships and it heals your loneliness. Number 5, clean your space. It actually resets your environment and it clears your mind. You choose one every day. That's it. Every day, this routine pushes your life forward, even when you feel lost or exhausted. And slowly, even without realizing it, you start becoming a different person. So, if you follow this routine for 30 days, your anxiety starts getting dropped, your discipline stabilizes, your room looks more cleaner, your body starts improving, your goals feel possible, your life starts to make sense. Because success is not built in big moments, it builds in 20 minutes windows repeated daily. This is how real transformation happens. Now I want to give you some advanced tips. Once you follow the routine for 2 weeks, you'll actually start noticing your mind wants more. Here's the trick. Add one extra habit only when the previous one becomes easy. Walk 5 minutes becomes easy, so start walking 10 minutes. Reading 1 page becomes easy, so start reading 3 pages. Record 20-second video becomes easy, so start recording 1-minute video. Transformation is actually built on small steps, not from big jumps. This routine gives you the foundation. Now if you have been watching till here, it means you are serious about changing your life. And I want to help you personally. Look, I don't sell courses, I don't give complicated teachings, I work hands-on with people. If you want a personalized routine, a content growth plan, video ideas, clarity, accountability, and daily support, DM me on my Instagram with the word real. I'll check your page, I'll talk to you, and give you a simple plan to grow both in life and as a creator. Now listen, you don't need a perfect routine. You don't need motivation every day. You don't need to become someone else. You just need 20 minutes of honesty with yourself. So you need to start respecting your time. Do one tiny win at least. Build your life 10 minutes at a time. You can change your life. You can become the person you dream about. And it starts today, not tomorrow. Start with 20 minutes. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.